All right, welcome back to Scott Knows. Today we're going to go over how I messed up and ironed our kitchen table, which left these heat marks on it, or faded marks. So I'll show you how to do it. First thing you want to do is, to fix this, is clean it very well. You just want to make sure you get all the dirt and stuff off, because once you apply heat, you don't want to be embedding anything in the finishes. So what we're going to use here is a heat gun, which there's many you can get off Amazon or wherever your preference is. You can go to Harbor Freight, get one. But I'll put a link below to the one I use. All you do is put your heat gun on. Don't want to hold it quite as close as I was right here, but you're going to want to turn the heat up a little bit. All right, so you turn the heat up. Once the heat is turned up, you're just going to start going back and forth, just fading it in. Pretty satisfying to do this and watch it. Does a pretty good job. Like I said, you don't want to hold it too close. I'm holding it a little close there. You won't be able to see it in the video, but if you looked at it from a different angle, you can still see a little bit of where I applied the heat gun. But I think just some polishing after this table will be good as new. It's already has a couple spots that need some stain and touch up anyway. But again, just get the heat up on your gun. As soon as you start seeing the fade go away, just make sure you're moving the gun back and forth and keep going. So even really bad spots here, like this one coming up, you'll see they just fade right back into the table, which is pretty awesome. I'm super happy with the results, because we'd already bought a different table for another property we have. So we plan on just probably sanding this one down and restanding it. But in the meantime, this is perfect. Then I, actually did this, ironed it twice like an idiot. So here's the other spot I did. Pretty simple, but really easy way to fix it. Efficient. Took me less than 10 minutes. I sped the video up a little bit here for you guys, but thanks for watching.